Joe Remai is a remarkable man. Not only because he's been a huge success in his construction and real estate business, but he's lived a balanced life. He's a family man to his wife and children and grandchildren, very dedicated to his church, and that faith filters his entire life. And then giving back, like, my gosh, tens of millions of dollars, be it healthcare, be it science, be it the arts, all in our community. We are so rich because of Joe Remai's family's amazing philanthropy.
I've known Joe for a lot of years, and he supports so many different organizations. The ones that excited him the most are the ones that were building something new. But this one would play a special role in his heart and aligns with who he is as a person. He's a builder. And today, he's building a new campus.
$25 million so that Sask Polytech can have a new campus in his name.
It is so fitting that the new campus will be officially called the Joseph A. Remai Saskatoon Campus. This is a wonderful legacy for Joe.
Sask Polytech, where it produces these incredible grads right within his industry, is just so important to him, and this transformative gift is going to impact generations of students and benefit the entire province.
I don't know Joe personally, but the fact that he's invested in our school and our education is absolutely incredible. Given the opportunity, I know that every student here at Sask Polytech would say thank you.